I live in Goodyear. I bought a house I don't know, it's been about 8 years ago, and a few years after we bought it, got a roof leak, kitchen, sheetrock replacement, so I ended up doing the repair myself, and I found it's a tile roof, and I found that I guess these would be the original installers or contractors who built the home. Instead of laying roof felt underneath the valley pan, they laid it over, so whatever sticks and twigs built up in there, any water flowing out would flow out underneath the roof felt. Does that seem to be a common thing here?
Yes, we do run into that. And the hardest part is when a builder grade is installing a felt paper, it's not going to be the same standard as we have, because when you get typically home warranty, if they're installing it, might be 5 years. When we do a roof, we have to do a 20-year warranty. And so we're going to do the roof not a little bit, we're going to do it way different than the actual builder is, just because we have such a long warranty tied down to that. And that's for our standard is 20-year. We also have a 30-year warranty we offer too. So I tell everybody I'm pretty much married to your roof. We're married now once we do your roof at that point.
So what was he fighting with? A felt that was laid over the valley flashing?
Laid over the valley flashing, and I'm assuming so when we do our valleys, we actually triple felt our valleys, because that's valleys and penetrations are
your weak link.
Yes. And so we triple felt them to just make sure that we don't have any issues. And so some companies do it different than that. Some might just install felt paper, just one layer. It just all depends on who you have doing your roof. So make sure to give us a call so we can do it the right way for you guys.